Introducing TE Spall's exclusive new program, Ease Comfort. Ease Comfort makes enjoying your home's heating and cooling system so much easier by eliminating the burden of a large upfront expense for new equipment. It also eliminates any additional expense of managing and maintaining that equipment. Starting at only $139 a month, you'll never have to worry about your heating and cooling system ever again. Our professional and highly trained TE Spall technicians will install your new heating and cooling equipment, provide a summer and winter tune-up, change your filters, and fix any problems that may arise within your system. Say goodbye to unexpected, expensive repairs, labor fees, installation charges, seasonal maintenance costs, parts, overtime fees, worries, hassles, and headaches. And say hello to a new high-efficiency heating and cooling system for one low monthly payment. Plus, Ease also provides a better warranty on your equipment than traditional financing or cash purchases, since most traditional purchases include a 1-year labor and 10-year parts warranty. With Ease, the cost of repairs, filters, and all maintenance are always covered. And if you prefer to own the equipment, you have that option available to you anytime after the initial 4 months in the Ease Comfort program. Think of Ease as your heating and cooling guarantee, making your heating and cooling system one last thing you have to manage in your home. To top it all off, we include a whole home filtration system to keep the air in your home clean and fresh. All that starting as low as $139 a month. Never worry about unforeseen expenses with your heating and cooling system again. With Ease Comfort, you're always covered, always comfortable. Subject to credit approval.